This is the Negative Binomial Interactive Calculator, which computes probabilities and statistics for negative binomial distributions. The calculator has 6 calculation modes available in the drop-down menu. Probability P, X char K for exact probability. Cumulative P, AX hot K for CDF. Mean and variance for expected values. Inverse CDF to find K for given probability, expected number of trials, and probability range P, A, tau T X, tau T B. For this demonstration, I've selected the probability mode. The input fields are number of successes, R, success probability, P, number of failures, K, target probability, lower bound, A, and upper bound, B. Let's work through an example. I'll enter 5 for number of successes, R, 0.3 for success probability, P, and 7 for number of failures, K. The target probability is set to 0.5, lower bound, A, is 3, and upper bound, B, is 10. After clicking Calculate, the result shows probability P x ARK equals 0.066040. This means there's approximately a 6.6% chance of observing exactly 7 failures before achieving our 5th success, given a 30% success probability per trial. This calculator streamlines negative binomial probability calculations for reliability analysis and quality control applications. Find the link in the description below.